Hey there, it's Saturday, and I don't want a whole bunch right now because I know we're going to eat later. So I am doing 7 grams of bacon pieces. So I'm going to kind of saute that up a little bit. And now I'm adding 1 egg. Because when the family eats lunch, I want to eat with them. But it is 9:30 and I'm hungry. So I just want a little something to tide me over till lunchtime. So I'm gonna work on this just a second. So that's what I'm having for right now. It's like I said, it's 9:30. I've already had my protein coffee. It's funny, old Terry would have been like, what is 1 egg gonna do? That's gonna do nothing but make me mad. But anyway, I figure it's enough and that'll tide me over till lunch. I'm not adding any cheese. I did forget the salt and pepper, so hold on. There's some salt. Oh, hang on. Okay, that's the Bible study my Monday group is doing. Okay, ground white pepper. I'm just going to put a little on that on there. And that's what I'm going to eat now. It's 9:30. It is 10 to 1, and I've got 6 ounces of steak and 6 ounces of 93% ground beef with some of the salsa and just some seasonings Mom has. I had half of a serving because I wanted 1 bite of this at Mom's house. We're eating out, and that's broccoli with some cheese and 6 ounces of burger, bacon, sauteed onions, and cheese. And here's my macros. Not a perfect day, but it was a day I enjoyed with my family and was able to eat and have a good time. Have a good night.